Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my sister with me. This is Kira. Today I'm going to be doing Kira's No, I'm not. That's incorrect. Okay. Today Kira is going to be doing my makeup because she doesn't do makeup. So let's just get started with this video. What are you going to start doing?
Your face makeup. So you want foundation? Wait, am I supposed to do?
What? Well, okay, I'm just going to let you do what you want to do.
I don't know if there's a specific order you do it in.
Why don't you, do you not watch my videos?
You do eyeshadow first.
Yeah.
Or do you don't do your eyebrows first?
Yeah, I do. Okay, I shouldn't have said that. Like, we're just gonna do what you want. Do
Okay.
how you would do the makeup.
Okay, I'm just gonna use this for now. Okay, where do I put her? Okay.
Where's the dip brow? You gonna start concealing my eyebrows?
No, I have this. Okay. Oh my gosh, everyone's
Kira, there's no pencil in there.
Wait, what?
I use it for the spoolie. Oh my god.
Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow. Oh,
Glow. Oh my god.
dip brow. I don't know what shade it's in, and I don't really care. Neat. Wait, this doesn't look like your shade. It looks gray. What? What the heck?
I don't think this is a good color. I've been using this for 2 years.
So then you like line your. Nothing is coming out. This I can't do. This is weird. I think the Tarte Shape Tape. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to do this.
Doing the top first, are we?
No, we're gonna do the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah. This does not do. Oh.
Why'd you say ow?
Sorry, I don't know what came out of it. Technique. Pro tip.
What's your pro tip?
Just. Okay. I think we shall dive straight in to the eyeshadow. This.
You have to, whatever you want to do it, like however you want to do it.
Just get okay.
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 Show them what you're using.
So I will be using the Take Me to Brazil palette. So I'm just gonna be using a variety of blues, and then I have these brushes from Morphe and BH Cosmetics. I think we should go in with a lighter color first. No, yeah, yes. So to me, that looks like this color. Right? Compounded onto the brush. She's looking great. Okay, I like her. Shush! Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get under your eye.
Okay.
Open. Pro tip, blend out of the eye. Okay, this is not dark enough.
Use that one instead.
That
That one's
one,
not
yeah.
really pigmented. I don't know why.
Yeah, it was not letting me
That one is
swap.
really pigmented, so just.
You.
What? I told you it was pigmented.
Yeah, right after I put it on.
If I replay that in editing, let's see who wins.
Yeah, it was not letting me
That one is
swap.
really pigmented, so just.
Okay. What is that?
I love eyeshadow. It's just really weird. It's a great way to express yourself. Okay, so here's
Okay, wait. I can fix her. We're going in.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, you're gonna use concealer after, so
Yes, that is a good idea.
that's how you do a cut crease.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, now I need to do the under eye. Is this supposed to be funny? Because I'm doing a really great job. Like, I mean, look at that. Time to cut the crease. I'm gonna be once again using this heart shape tape. Oh, it looks sharp.
Okay, you have to be careful because it's expensive, so you're gonna use that, okay?
Okay. Where's your close your eyes.
That looks so bad.
Time to go with the sparkles. Okay, so now taking this heavy metal glitter liner, glam rock. So we're just gonna be going over top of the cut crease and just lining her with this and just making her look really glam rock. So taking the e.l.f. Intense eyeliner. I swear if you start laughing.
So we're gonna do the face makeup now, so
I will be taking the Fit Me foundation. Hydrate and smooth.
okay, so what you're gonna have to do for this is get a brush and just dunk it in. So get that.
What?
This.
This?
Yeah.
This brush. I feel like you are... What?
She really thought I meant put the actual brush into the foundation. How else are you gonna get the foundation out? Okay. So now you just put it on my face. Careful, it doesn't trip over anywhere.
Okay, so I just put it onto the brush.
Okay, we understand now. Put it
Okay,
onto my face.
But yeah, you were getting that. Okay. And then we're gonna do Nikki tutorials.
Oh my god. Okay. If you need more, then I have some.
Oh, we don't need more.
Actually, you do need more to blend down my neck, queen.
Sometimes. Vogue. You're gonna get so much acne after this, I'm sorry now. Do it for the views! Okay.
Yeah, the whole 40 views we're gonna get on this video.
Oh yes! Love my fan base. Okay, now taking my butter bronzer. We're just gonna keep doing it because... Okay, we're just gonna do it. I don't really care. We're just gonna wipe her off. Soft and neat. And soft and neat. Okay, so we're gonna be taking House of Lashes eyelash adhesive. Are you gonna hold? I'm at who's
You're doing it.
Okay. Wait.
What?
I feel like you're tricking me.
With what?
Do I apply it to the eyelash or your eyelash?
Oh my god. I don't watch beauty videos.
Oh, so it goes on. Hold this. Hurry, hurry.
Oh, okay.
Close your eyes. part is annoying. Okay. Okay, they're clumpy, but
It's okay. I don't like putting mascara on my bottom eyelashes. I
Well-
can feel like my eyelid getting glued shut.
yay! I did it in the right place, I think. I hope I'm praying.
Are you stupid? It's this one.
What do you mean?
It's this eye that you just put on the lash.
You're stupid. I just put on this lash. Oh my gosh, Talia, you're so stupid. I literally just put on this lash. Like, literally watch the video. Let's see who wins.
Okay, Queen, you won that one.
I put on this lash first, this side first.
Yeah.
And now I'm putting on this side.
Oh.
Okay, now taking the Kylie Jenner matte lip kit in the shade lipstick in the shade of Cocoa K. So I'm gonna be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dipped Glow Kit. So we'll be using the shade of we'll use the shade Summer.
Okay, so this is Kira's finished look.
So cute.
Let's do a little montage, okay? Okay, so that was it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, having Kai Kai on the channel. If you guys want to see more videos with her, then I mean like and give it a comment. All of the 40 of you that will watch this video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Again, make sure to subscribe and give this video a like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!